Hello, treasures. Let's make another simple but very delicious and healthy smoothie with just few ingredients. Let's get started. Yeah, here I have my mangoes, cucumber, and some other abalomo, star apple or African cherry, like some people call it. So I'll start by cutting my cucumbers. I've washed all the ingredients. I'm going to use half of the cucumber. I'm not using all, but you can use all if you wish to. Next, I'll cut the mangoes. You can use this method or any other method that is simple and easier for you, as long as you don't cut your hand or fingers. You can also use the peeling method. I prefer this method myself. Then I'll open the odara, take out the seed and collect the flesh. And here we have our mango, odara, and the cucumber ready for blending. So the next thing I'll do is to transfer them into the blender and blend. And to blend this, we're going to be using liquid. You can either use water or milk or yogurt. So I'm using plain yogurt here, but sweetened yogurt. You can also add sugar to yours if you want to. If you want it very sweet, you can add sugar to it. And if your African cherry or udara or abaloma is not sweet, you can use sugar to sweeten it or any other sweetener of your choice. So I'll take my blender, blend until smooth. And here we have our smoothie. Very simple to make, but very nutritious and delicious. You can use this for your breakfast or dinner or supper, and also as snack, anyhow you want it, anytime you want it. It's so delicious. I hope you'll be trying this smoothie recipe. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.